my channel. It's yoga, it's the baking Betty. Guys, oh girl, oh happy today because I have something exciting. Oh wow, it's exciting to me because it means that I'm growing. But anyway, before we get into the business of the day, guys, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Those who have subscribed, guys, you are darlings. I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Those who haven't, please, what are you waiting for? I'm gonna sit here and wait until you subscribe. I'm joking, but anyway, guys, please, I'm begging from the bottom of my heart, please hit the subscribe button so that we can grow and be great and do great things together, okay? Because I've got so much great recipes to share with you and great content. Well, I hope it will be great. You will find it valuable into your lives. I'll try as much as I can to keep the content very much valuable, so and sharing all the knowledge that I have with you. Keep sharing my videos so that your family, your friends, their family members, everybody joins this community. But anyway, back to the business of today. Okay, he's happy, he's excited. You know why? Because hey, I'm officially a YouTuber. You're about to see why I'm saying that. It was a Thursday morning last week. In the morning, I walk into my office. And then I spot something on top of the table. I'm like, is this what I'm doing? It is. I have been hinting, I must admit, to my husband that, oh girl needs a ring light. Well, I kept on saying it until he got the idea that I need to have a ring light. But anyway, well, he got the hints and he surprised me with a ring light. And I did record that moment. Well, I didn't show the face because it was unexpected. So I just recorded the moment where I walked in and I saw the ring light. And just to show you guys how, just to share the moment with you, how I felt. I was very excited. Like, I wanted to scream, literally. But anyway, so I didn't unbox the ring light. All I did was to unwrap it and just check the contents inside because I needed to see what is inside and if it has everything that it has to be there or is supposed to be there, so that if it does not have all the contents inside, I can return it while I still have time. But anyway, so that's all I did. I had to wait so that I can be able to unbox properly and also set it up with you guys. Guys, that's how special you are to me. But do you see that? Do you see what I love you guys? Yo, it was the hardest thing to do. Like, it was very hard for me to keep and hold back and not set up everything because I've wanted this for the longest time. Now, to wait for a few days before I can actually set it up, that was super hard. But anyway, here I am. I did it. I conquered. Yay! Let's put hands together. I need an award. I deserve one. Okay. Anyway. Right, guys, this is the ring light. It is, what is the size? It is a 26 centimeter ring light, which is 10 inches if you were to use the inches. It is sort of an entry-level ring light, I suppose, but it does, well, I hope and I do hope it will make the difference. I do trust, I believe it's going to bring up some huge difference into my videos. But anyway, so this baby, this is what I found on top of my table. It was wrapped, it was 2 boxes like this. So this is the stand and this is the actual ring light. So they were like this and wrapped in a bubble wrap together. So I did remove the bubble wrap like I said, and then I did open the boxes just to check what was inside. And I was happy with it. It had everything that it was supposed to be here, and then I put it back for today. Guys, all right, before we do that, before we unwrap this and set up the ring light, I'm gonna put up the video where I share with you Thursday morning moment, because you gotta see that. I feel like you have to see that because I think it is super special. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm filming this video out of excitement. I did not plan to take any video today or filming any video. But the only reason I'm filming this video, it is because of this baby here. Guys, so it's a Thursday morning, business as usual. I walk into my office to find this lovely surprise on top of my table. So, Daddy bless her, happy bless her, happy bless her bay. Just placed this on my table, guys. He did not even tell me that I have this beautiful pastel here. So I just walk into my office. To my surprise, I have a delivery. Okay guys, so this is the ring light. Let's take it out of the box. So, what's in here? Nothing inside, nothing left. Right. Ooh. So this is the ring, the actual ring light, I guess. Okay, before we do that, there is two things in here. Which is, well, this was in a plastic, so I just had to take it out and see what it was. I was just curious to see what it was. Alright, and then there's this, what do you call this thing? It's a phone holder, né? So you put it on top of well, you know, I'm sure you know how ring lights look like. So yeah, this is for the phone holder, and then this is to, well, I guess it's to connect this to this thing here. But we'll unfold that together. So in here, it's the stand, or the tripod, it's called, I don't know, for the ring light. So, this is how it is. So it's got, what's this? This is a cap, I guess. So let's just remove this cap and try open. Oops. Ooh, guys, I must not break this. Oh, I think I'm supposed to. I'm just trying to use the knowledge I have with my normal tripod, because yeah, I've never owned a ring light, so this is my first. So I guess this is, it can't open any further than this. So I'm just going to lock it in here. Alright, place it on the thingy, on the floor. Oh, okay. So we are. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm going to be making it short for now because I need you guys to see what I'm doing. Anyway, so how do we now connect this together? No. There's no manual. That's another thing I forgot to mention. It does not come with a manual. So I'm really going to use this picture here. I'm going to use this picture in the box to see how it's supposed to be, how I'm supposed to put this together. I don't know why it does not have a but okay. Anyway, I have to use manuals most of the time. So we'll figure this out. So according to this picture, it says that I'm supposed to put this one first. Yeah, this comes in first. So let's put this one. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. I am correct. So, am I supposed to lock it now or what? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Alright. And then from there, I suppose we put this baby here. Guys, I feel like, I don't know. But anyways, oh, because it is just wobbling and not getting tight. It's still not actually. Oh wow, guys, I am okay. Let's lock this in. Okay. Also, it locks in the position that you place in your ring light. I mean, this top, this head. I guess it's a head. That's what you call it. Something. But anyway, let's try and put this. I don't know how I'm supposed to put this, or am I supposed to turn the actual ring light until it's locked in? I hope that's how you do it. And I'm so anxious, like I'm really anxious now because I want to see how this unfolds. I can't wait to see how it turns out to be. Oh, okay. Let's put it straight before we lock it. Oops. See, I want to make this shorter so that so you guys can see what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah. So guys, this is what I'm doing. So I'm just locking it in the size. So I hope it's nice and clear now. Okay, it does feel stable, I must admit. When I was still opening the legs, it felt very, lightweight, you know? But when I'm actually putting it, it's actually stable. It does feel stable, so yeah. And then the next thing to do, I guess this is the last thing to do. I'm not sure how this... Is it not supposed to have something? Is it safe? Okay. Well, it does feel tight. So I hope it's safe. Okay, it can turn. It's flexible to be able to turn any direction. Okay, so that's how you set it up. Okay, alright. Hey guys. So now I'm going to plug it. We shall see how this thing unfolds. Okay, I feel like I need to stand up though, but it's okay. Let me just sit down and then see the moment of truth. Wow. Hey guys, can you see any difference? I don't know. Let's see. I'm not sure if this color is the difference. Okay, this is the warm setting. It's dim. Alright, this is the mid or bright. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this is the brightest setting. This is the warm setting, which is the dimmest setting, and this is the medium setting or brightness or whatever you call it. I don't know what they call them because there's no manual, so it does not tell what is what. I'm just guessing here. Yeah, it does not say anyway. But anyway, it's got 3 settings like you see. So this is the brightest, and then this is the dim one, which is the warm setting, and this is the what do you call this? Cool or less bright. Guys, I don't know what to call them. Please don't laugh at me. I don't know really. This is my first time owning a ring light, so yeah. But you've seen the settings. I hope you can tell the difference. This is the first one, second one, third one. I'm going to stand up so that we can see this properly. Okay guys, so I decided to stand up so that we can do this thing properly. We are doing this properly. So this is the ring light. Hello there. Hi there. So this is without the light. And so I'm just all on natural light currently. So we are about to see the difference. So we're gonna go to the first setting. Let's do this. Are you ready? Are you? Guys, wow. This is the brightest, né? The brightest setting. Let's go to the second one. Okay, I'll switch it off. This is the bright setting. So this is the dim setting. So this is the medium light setting. That's what I call them. Alright, let's go back to the bright. Guys, I love this bright one. Like, in Nikki life, it just gives me some Guys, yeah, pop, it is popping. Guys, are you excited like I am? Like, are you guys excited for me? Okay, just be excited for me, okay? Oh, guys, this is the bright side. Let's do this again. So this is bright. So this is warm. It's also very popping and nice. I think it just gives some tone, G. And then this is the medium. And then this is the bright, my favorite. I love the bright one, guys. It gives me so much life. Guys, tell me which one is the best. Obviously, for now, I'm using it for the face recording where I'm showing my face. I'm still going to discover the best setting for my cooking or baking videos. I'm still going to discover that, and I feel like baking like at this moment. Should I bake? Should I not? I'm joking. But anyway, guys, I'm still going to discover that. But for now, this is the difference it brings into my life. Probably you will be seeing more of this face going forward because Ugal is officially a YouTuber. Yeah, guys, I'm officially a YouTuber. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like going and printing a t-shirt 80 officially a YouTuber because Ringlight is just bringing some life in my YouTube life. Alright, guys, I am so happy. Like, for me, this is wow. I'm sure there's better ones, bigger ones, or whatever, but for me, this is the bomb. Like, literally, I love this. Like, it's already, I know that my content is going to be better than it was before. I can see I'm happy, I'm content, and it does not break the bank. Like, it's very affordable. That's what I like about it. And it's value for money for me, literally. And it's super stable. Like, it's stable. I had to remove that phone thing because it was gonna block my view. But now, I did try it out. It's stable. Like the phone, when you put the phone, it's very stable. It doesn't feel like it will fall or anything. So, I am happy. I'm a happy girl. Like, I'm the happiest girl on earth right now because guys, thank you so much for watching this crazy girl. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and thank you for taking your time to watch my video. And to those who have subscribed, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much. I am humbled. And those who keep commenting, who keep liking, sharing, thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. And for those who haven't, you gotta do it now. I'm waiting. Good. Guys, I'm begging you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I need to grow my channel. I need to be motivated, guys, because I need to give you great content. So I need some motivation too. Please do that. Please do that for me. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the session as much as I did. See you next time on my next video. Until then, stay blessed and keep safe. Me, signing out.